Finally.
Beautiful day here in Hamilton.
It's a photo day.
Look at that. The sun is out. People look happy. No road rage.
Not yet.
There's the popos. On standby.
Good work, Leo.
What's this? I'm taking this out.
Yeah, I'll take that.
Take that and put it in there.
Good work, Leo.
Well done, baby.
Don't get wet.
I just put my flavor.
Wow.
Watch
look
the
at
lights. You need to watch the lights.
you. That's it.
Follow me, Dad. Look. Ah,
Well done, baby. Make sure it's clean.
yeah.
Did I put that in?
All done, baby. Move now.
Okay.
No more. All done.
I am the good job. That can I help you teach
Yeah.
her?
Thank you for your help, son. Hope you're doing so well. Pass me a towel. 老公会收录。
Oh, the lighting is. Ooh. We just finished washing our car, and the girls' job's now done, so we're on our way home now. But thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and the bell for notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. Okay, bye.
Bye.